Life can be hard sometimes. We all have problems. But we can be strong. We can face these problems. Always remember, you are not alone. There are people who love you. They want to help you. Believe in yourself. You have great power inside you. Use this power to do good things. You can reach your dreams. It may not be easy, but it is possible. Just keep trying. Every day is a new day. Forget the past. Learn from your mistakes. Focus on the future. What can you do better today? Each day is a chance to grow, to learn, to become better. Think about your goals. What do you want to achieve? Write them down. Look at them every day. This will help you stay focused. It will help you remember what you are working for. Do not be afraid to ask for help. We all need support. Talk to your friends. Talk to your family. They want to see you succeed. Together, you can do great things. Stay positive. Think about the good things in your life. Be grateful for what you have. This will make you happier. A happy person has more energy. More energy to work hard. To reach their goals. Never give up. There will be hard times. There will be setbacks. But do not lose hope. You are strong. You are capable. Keep moving forward. You will find success. In the end, remember that you are unique. There is no one like you. Be proud of who you are. Be proud of what you can do. With hard work and determination, you can achieve anything.